Yo guys, what's up? Today we're looking at AMC. Looks like we're pretty deep in the money this week. AMC was doing well. I still own it because I really like it, and not sure there's gonna be another short squeeze on it, but there might be. So I gotta do something with this option. I'm gonna try to roll it. Maybe do a diagonal. Not really sure. Doesn't look good for 1 week out. Wow. Uh, Yeah, it's not good. I hate going 2 weeks out for this option, but it's pretty deep in the money. So it looks like we can get some premium 2 weeks out. Hopefully by then we'll get another short squeeze going. I do like the stock still. Man, I really hate to own it at this price, but my cost basis is much lower. It's about $45 or so. But I'm still losing money at 38. So maybe I should wait to see what happens. But it looks like this price is not really going up or down, so I'm just gonna send this out and see what happens. I get 64 bucks. Reduces my cost basis yet again. And the order's filled. So that's good. That's good. Alright guys, tell me what you guys think of AMC. Hopefully you guys are still out there. Let me know. Thanks for watching.